How to delete all messages on Instagram at once. Hi everyone, this is Kate and welcome back to another video, and on today's video we will see how we can delete all the messages on Instagram at once. So without further delay, let's get started with this video. First of all, launch your Instagram application and make sure that you're logged in. Now if you head over to your chat section right here, if you want to delete all the chats, then you have to delete one by one manually. Now in order to delete them all, what you can do is go to your profile page by tapping on the profile icon at the bottom right corner. Once you're on your profile page, tap on the three-line icon at the top right. That's gonna take you to settings and activity. Here you have to scroll down a bit, and under for professionals, tap on account type in tools. Here tap on switch to professional account. Tap on next. You can select one of the category from here, then tap on switch to professional account. Tap on next, then tap on not now. You can set up your professional account by following all the instructions right here, or you can close this simply. You can go back to your profile page now. So once you land on your profile page, you can see it is personal dashboard. Now once your personal account is changed into professional dashboard, go back to your home page. Now go to your chat page. Once you land in your chat page, if you navigate at the top right, there is this three-line icon. If you tap on it, now you can select all of your messages and delete them all at once. So in this way, you can delete all of your messages on Instagram at once. And that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful. And if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more videos.